It's a bold step by Ferrari for those who crave Ferrari's iconic performance but are looking for somehow an everyday drive. Say hello to the Ferrari Roma. Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Exotic Cars on DubiCars. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2021 Ferrari Roma, listed for sale by Levant Auto on DubiCars, your go-to platform for buying, selling, researching, comparing anything about cars in the UAE. Now are you ready? Let's see if this car brings some Dubai bling. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about the 5 key things that make the Ferrari Roma stand out. The name Roma honors Rome, celebrating its culture, unlike other Ferraris that are named after tracks or metrics. The design draws inspiration from Ferrari's classic 1950s and 1960s GT cars, like the 250 GT Lusso. The Roma marks Ferrari's shift to a more advanced digital interior with a 16-inch curved digital display. It is powered by a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 612 horsepower. The side slip control 6.0, derived from F1 tech, improves traction and stability. Bomba! Clean lines, sleek silhouette, this Ferrari Roma is a fresh spin on classic Grand Toureres. That long hood and fastback roof give it a timeless and eye-catching shape. Up front, wide grille, sharp LED headlights give it a bold, shark-like vibe, powerful yet classy. On the side, the 20-inch dual-tone alloy wheels look stunning. The flush door handles, smooth bodyworks keep things aerodynamic. The rear is just as stylish, with very slim tail lights and a spoiler that pops up only at high speed. Inside, you're greeted with the perfect mix of luxury and sportiness. This model rocks a bold red and black leather interior, giving it a stylish vibe. Right in front of the driver, there's the massive 16-inch curved digital cluster, the flat-bottom steering wheel with haptic buttons, and of course the Manettino dial for switching drive modes. In the center, we've got a sleek 8.4-inch touchscreen for entertainment and control. Plus, this Roma even has the optional passenger display, so the co-pilot can also check out all the action happening on the road. Now let's talk about what makes the Roma a true Grand Tourer. Under the hood, a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, same engine found in other Ferraris. But this one cranks 612 horsepower with 760 Nm. It is paired by an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, sending power to the rear wheels. Its performance is why it's called a Super GT. It goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.2 seconds. Keep your foot on the gas, and it will hit a top speed of 320 km per hour. Weighing in at 1,570 kg with a nearly perfect 50-50 weight distribution, the car feels light and agile on the road. So, with the jaw-dropping looks, heart-pounding V8 power, the perfect mix of luxury and performance, this Ferrari Roma proves that you really can have it all, wrapped up under one seriously gorgeous Dubai Blink ride. Find this 2021 Ferrari Roma, listed for sale by Levant Auto on DubiCars. Don't forget to download our app and turn on the notification settings to get the latest updates on cars. And as always, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.